Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my channel. This video will act as a guide to your next visit to Chilika Lake. Watch it till the end. Coming to Chilika Lake, it is the largest lake in India and second largest saltwater lagoon in the world after New Caledonia Barrier Reef. If we come to superlative term, there are 5 categories of ranking of lakes. Sometimes people get confused which is the biggest lake of India. If we consider overall length, then Vembanad Lake in Kerala is the longest lake in India. Its length is around 97 km. Ula Lake in Jammu and Kashmir is the largest freshwater lake in India. Govind Ballabh Sagar Lake in Sonbhadra district of Uttar Pradesh is the largest man-made lake. This lake is created by a reservoir of Rihan Dam. Samba Lake, located 3 hours from Pink City, Jaipur, is the largest inland saltwater lake. Solomo Lake in North Sikkim is the highest lake of India. Coming back to Chilika Lake, it is spread over 1100 square kilometer. Its width is 20 km and length is around 65 km at max. Chilika Lake holds some of the record in its name, which include first Ramsar site in India, largest wintering ground for migratory bird on India's subcontinent, and third one is it hosts the world largest breeding colonies of flamingo as well. How you can reach Chilika Lake? The nearest airport is Biju Patnaik International Airport at Bhubaneswar at distance of 80 and 100 km depending upon the location where you enter the lake, and the nearest railway station is, it will also depend upon the point where you enter the lake. There are basically 2 main railway stations, that are Puri and Bhubaneswar. There are 3 locations where you can access the lake. The most popular one is Barkol, which is around 100 km from Bhubaneswar, and second access point is in Satpada near Puri, which is around 50 km from Puri, and third one is Arambha on southern side of Chilika Lake. In Chilika Lake, all the major attractions are located in various islands. Some of them are Breakfast Island, Honeymoon Island, Nalabona Island, Parikud Island, Kalijai Island. These islands are famous for various things ranging from temple, bird watching. Apart from this, you can watch Irrawaddy dolphin, which is one of the main attractions of the lake. Out of so many islands, I have visited only Parikud Island, Sea Sand Bar and Kalijai Island. Kalijai temple is considered to be the abode of goddess Kalijai. According to legend, a newly married girl named Jai along with her father was going to meet her husband. As her husband's house was in an island of Chilika Lake, they had to take a boat to ferry them across the lake. Odisha coast is very prone to cyclone, and during this boat trip they encountered with cyclone, and due to this the boat capsized. Only boatman and her father survived. They searched for her but unable to locate her. After this accidental death of newlywed girl, she became goddess of the people residing nearby, and till now she is worshipped as Kali. This is how she got its name. Best time to visit this island is during the Makar Sankranti. This temple was built by Jagannath Man Singh, king of Banapur, in the year 1717. Sandbar and mouth of the lake is the stretch of 30 km empty beach which separate lake from sea. You have to walk around 1 to 1.5 km to see the mouth where Bay of Bengal and Chilika Lake meets. Bangla Jodi and Nalabana Island is famous for bird watching. Kindly avoid places like Heaven Island. There is nothing much to see except dredging machine and some eatery located in island. In the Rajhans Island, you can spend night. There is accommodation facility of Odisha Tourism Development Corporation. There are several type of packages available. This is the rate chart of boating in Satpada. I will recommend go for second one, dolphin and sea beach. or go for dolphin, Nalabana and Kalijai. You can do picnic in most of the island by paying just extra 200 rupees apart from boat charges. I would highly recommend to go from Barkul side. It is easily accessible from NS16. Here you can do various water sport activity like jet ski, speedboat, jorbing ball, kayaking, canoeing, etc. In most of the island you can easily find meal option both in veg and non-veg item like crabs and prawn. Do not forget to carry bottle of water and some snack for long bird journey. If you are bird watcher, do carry binocular. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.